Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Cornwallis Park is a small community located in Annapolis County, Nova Scotia, on the shores of the Annapolis Basin. Situated between Clementsport and Annapolis Royal, the community is best known for its military history and waterfront location. Although the population is relatively small, Cornwallis Park has played an important role in the development of Western Nova Scotia throughout the 20th century. The history of the area begins with the Mi'kmaq people, who lived throughout the Annapolis Basin region for thousands of years before European settlement. The basin provided access to fishing grounds, transportation routes, and fertile lands that supported indigenous communities long before the arrival of Europeans. European settlement expanded throughout the Annapolis Valley and Annapolis Basin during the 17th and 18th centuries. Acadian settlers established farms and communities throughout the region. Following the expulsion of the Acadians in 1755, New England planters settled nearby and contributed to the growth of Western Nova Scotia. The modern community of Cornwallis Park was largely shaped by military activity. In 1949, Canadian Forces Base Cornwallis was established as a major naval training facility. For decades, thousands of sailors received training at the base, making it one of the most important military installations in Atlantic Canada. The base had a major impact on the local economy and population throughout the second half of the 20th century. Canadian Forces Base Cornwallis officially closed in 1995. Following the closure, many of the former military buildings and lands were redeveloped for civilian uses. The transition brought significant changes to the community, but many reminders of its military heritage remain visible today. What people do for work in Cornwallis Park has changed considerably since the military base closed. Today, many residents work in healthcare, education, retail, tourism, construction, government services, transportation, and small business operations. Some residents commute to nearby communities such as Annapolis Royal, Middleton, Greenwood, and Digby for employment opportunities. The surrounding region continues to support agriculture as well. Farms throughout Annapolis County produce apples, berries, vegetables, grapes, and livestock. Agriculture remains an important economic driver and contributes to the character of the broader Annapolis Valley region. Housing in Cornwallis Park is generally affordable compared with larger urban centers in Nova Scotia. The community offers a mix of former military housing, detached homes, and waterfront properties. Average home prices typically range between $250,000 and $450,000, depending on location, condition, and property size. Today, Cornwallis Park remains a small waterfront community with a unique place in Nova Scotia's history. Its military heritage, scenic location, and proximity to major historic attractions continue to shape its identity. While much has changed since the days of the naval training base, Cornwallis Park remains an important part of the Annapolis Basin region. watching!